Do you find yourself being trapped, smothered, and feeling avoidant just like Walid? Then I think you will recognize yourself in these signs below. Meet the avoidant Walid. He has been married for 3 months now, but now he suddenly feels very stuffy. He craves for connection. However, he also finds it overwhelming and is unsure of how to deal with it. He is not comfortable with his emotions. He enjoys being by himself and following his own routine. He prefers to take care of himself. He dislikes having to rely on people and would prefer others not to depend on them. He believes that the only person you can trust is yourself. According to him, these are signs that he should end this marriage if he is already experiencing these kinds of doubts. He struggles with receiving feedback. Conflicts are difficult for him to handle. He tends to always point out others' weaknesses or flaws. This is like a protection to keep the partner at a distance. In this video, I will show you with these 5 tips how to break yourself slowly free from these patterns, In Shaa Allah. Number 1. Being aware of your body. Learning to feel safe in your own body is something you don't do or haven't learned. You have been rejected so many times that you frequently leave your body. Therefore, do the following. Perform a body scan 3 times a day, once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once in the evening before going to bed. You will have to pay attention to the signs your body is sending you. Keep track of the signs of hunger, thirst, pain, frustration, or cravings. For example, if you are frustrated, use the phrase, "I feel angry because this has happened." The best thing is that you name it out loud and write it down. Number 2. Journaling. Journaling can be one of the most powerful self-growth tools. It's important to be compassionate and non-judgmental. This will greatly help you to reflect on your inner world and your experiences. Questions you can ask yourself are, did something happen today that made me excited or motivated? What have I longed for today, even if it's something small, and what did I feel? Did I experience pain or discomfort in my body today? And where exactly? Have I avoided, suppressed, or tucked away emotions today? Have I rationalized or rejected someone's emotions or feelings today? How did he or she react to it? Number 2. Learn to tolerate. This is a tough one, but not impossible. Learn to let your partner in step by step, so you will learn to tolerate in order to increase your tolerance for the tension, which you will definitely feel. You must understand that doing this will make you feel uncomfortable. This is a fact, so accept it. You have to break that wall gradually, so you will no longer hide your emotions, but you will feel it and learn to tolerate it. Number 3. Investigate your primary needs. Your first need is that you require time and personal space, especially when a conflict is starting to escalate. This is probably the best thing to do. You don't like to be forced. Your second need is a transition time, and that transitional phase must be calm. Make it clear that you require that time of transition. For example, when you come home from a busy day, you feel the urge to withdraw first before being with your partner again. It could be 15 minutes, but you might also need a little more time. You need warmth and friendliness, which is the third need. Other individuals must approach you with kindness and react to you warmly. Your fourth need is a desire to be encouraged in your dreams and interests. You have mastered independence and learned how to handle everything on your own. However, the repressed need, which is that you really need connection and support from someone, is in fact true. Inform your partner that your passion or desire is very important to you and that you need their support and flexibility. There is another need, the fifth one, and that is a desire for acknowledgement, respect, and appreciation. Share your need by saying, "I need you to hear me." Learn to express those needs to your spouse. It's difficult at first, but the more you will do this, the more liberating it will be for you and the other. Number 4. Dare to trust. If you have this attachment style, you probably find it very difficult to trust others. This one has to be strengthened. You accomplish this by confronting the narrative regarding the feelings of, "I am being claimed, I am being lived, I no longer have my own time, and I can no longer establish a career." The 3 questions you are going to ask yourself now are: 1. What happens just before my doubt strikes? So let's say you believe that he or she is not the right partner anymore. What happened before? 2. Then you ask yourself, is this story 100% true? 3. And then, okay, what evidence do I have for this? Number 5. Communication. Communicate your needs and boundaries openly, honestly, and without criticism. For instance, when you get home, do you want some space for yourself? Then make this clear. Inform the person that your attachment style is avoidant and what happens to you as the connection gets deeper. For example, in response you can say, "I noticed that I do something, and I know you don't find it amusing. I'm working on it, and I hope you will give me the space. I need to be better at this at my own pace. If you see it the next time I do this, could you let me know?" You must realize that underneath all of these issues lies the need to maintain a safe emotional distance and the fear of losing your emotional independence. But there is still hope. You can experience emotional freedom, closeness, and healing all at once, In Shaa Allah. But you must put in the effort. You need to do the work, because nobody is going to do it for you. I therefore want to encourage you to choose only one of the 5 to practice this week, and would love to hear it under the comment section below which one you'll begin with.